If your Windows laptop or PC is lagging, freezing, or just feels slow in general, there are a few easy things you can do to clean it up and get it running smoother again. First, make sure Windows is up to date. Open your Start menu, go to Settings, then head over to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, and install anything available. Once that's done, restart your computer. Next, turn on Storage Sense. In Settings, go to System, then Storage. There should be an option for Storage Sense. Turn it on. After that, click into it and scroll down to the button that says Run Storage Sense. Now, this will clean out a bunch of temporary and junk files that you don't need. While you're still in the storage section, click on something called Cleanup Recommendations. Windows will suggest old files, large items, or unused apps that you can remove. Select what you don't need and click Cleanup. Then go ahead and run Disk Cleanup. Just search for it from the Start menu and open the app. Click Cleanup System Files. Wait for the scan, then check all the boxes and press OK. Confirm with Delete Files. You can also uninstall apps you no longer use and consider moving large media files to an external drive to free up space. Finally, once all that's done, give your PC a restart. That'll help apply the changes and make sure everything resets properly. After this, your system should feel quite a bit snappier. If it's still struggling, there might be other deeper issues like too many startup programs, malware, or just aging hardware. But this is a solid place to start and can fix most common slowdowns.